My thoughts bring me joy, harmony, confidence. All traits of my character deserve respect. Creative thoughts in my head. My life is safe and in perfect harmony. I accept the life that I live. I have a beautiful appearance, which I really like. I show my character from the best sides. I have a huge life experience. I'm an individual, so I deserve only the best. I have great potential because I am a strong personality. I am a confident, strong and courageous person. I am a worthy person who is loved by others. My best teacher is my life. I praise myself for everything I have in life. In any situation, I behave confidently and with dignity. I am active and strong person. I trust my feelings and emotions. I have beautiful features, I like myself very much. I accept myself as a person. I buy the things that I really like. I love myself, so I often surprise myself. I like to develop and discover new qualities in myself. My appearance shows my inner world. I take care of myself and my appearance. I run to the dream and help wishes come true. I accept myself and love my life. I deserve pure and boundless universal love. Life has given me all the blessings that I deserve. I deserve to live in luxury and prosperity. I have a wonderful character and a healthy body. I am a worthy and wonderful person. I deserve love and happiness. I value myself and behave with dignity in any situation. I occupy a high place in the lives of those close to me and those around me. I love myself and appreciate all my qualities. I go through life with confidence and joy. I build my life for the better. I make the most of my talents. I am a personality and an attractive person. I am a unique, wonderful person. I accept myself with all the flaws and virtues. I am bright, light and joyful nature.